Right to launch?
Yep.
Yep, lovely. Okay, here we go.
The wind's catching it.
Yeah, I think I over-controlled, but that's great. It's brilliant, thanks. 3 minutes. Ah, lovely. God, it's going quick. One minute.
Landing.
Okay.
It's okay with you?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you got time?
Well, we can land together.
Okay to go on. Hang on, landing. Landing. Yeah, get down into it.
I'm landing as well.
Okay, I'm upside down.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, good. That was a laugh because I knew it was going to bounce. I thought I would fly a bit further on, but it has actually got caught in the long grass, which was good. That was fun, guys. No damage. Didn't think there would be. Quite warm. Not hot, but quite warm. 45, 46, 48. So I could probably take it to 3.5 minutes, or at least fly on for a little bit. Good. Don't think I'll be taking a triplane up again. Not in this wind. Here we go. Lovely. Let's try a full speed downwind pass. That's what we all like to see. Turning, half throttle, opening her up, full throttle, bit of down, pull only up, bit of a twist and full up. Bring her back this way, open the throttle and into a roll. And left roll. Let's cruise it around a little bit. God, I could have sworn it was going left then, it was going right. Fantastic against the blue sky. and pull up. Oh, it's going to skew, but never mind.
Checking off.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1.
And landing.
Okay. Ready? You've got it.
Oh,
What happened
bugger.
there?
Slowed it down too much. You don't get that pickup, do you, you know?
Yeah.
There she is, guys. On her belly, which is good. Not a strewn pile of bits. Another few feet and it would have nestled into the hedge there. At the very least she's going to have scratches on her, but ailerons work, elevators work. Oh, wow, I think I'm lucky I won't start the motor without giving it a bit of a shake. Looks okay. Let's try it. Okay, I think we got away with that. Oh, it's impacted the ground. Well, that's not too bad. It's all underneath. Oh, at least she lives to fly another day, that's the main thing. In fact, she could fly now. No reason, except the batteries run out. I mean, the nose is solid balsa. Seems pretty good. Not too bad. Okay guys, I've given it 3 applications of filler and it's pretty good, and just given it a quick coat of dope just to seal the filler. Just this quick dry and soft filler. A couple of little dings I missed there actually getting it in the light, but never mind. So I'm going to spray it now. I'm going to mask it all off. I haven't got any more red spray, so I'm going to do it black. Black will look good. I've always put shark teeth on it, but I think black is fine. And yeah, I think that'll look okay. It filled really easy. It was an easy fix. Just patience of filling it really. And I'll tell you what, I am going to fill these little holes because I'm a perfectionist, aren't I? I wasn't the first one to land in the field that afternoon. I was in that field about 20 minutes earlier actually. And the chap was going up and down with his tractor ploughing it all up, and it was particularly stony ground, and there was no way I was going to land and avoid any stones, so at least it was this one and not the triplane, which would have been a lot worse. Wouldn't have survived as well. There we go. Just let that dry. And then I'll mask it all up and spray it and give it a coat of clear lacquer as well, and it will come up okay. Well, there she is all masked up guys, so I'm going to go outside now and give her a couple of fizzes of, I'm going to use some satin black paint, and if it looks alright I might just give it a matte finish. We'll see how I feel. Rain stopped play for the minute, but I should be back out in a moment. At least I got some clear gloss on that wing, and yeah, it's just satin black. It dries really quick. It's not perfect, but nobody will notice as it whizzes by. And I've decided I'll give it gloss. I'll give it a bit more of a harder coat, but Can't do it for the minute. It's a bit of a rain cloud coming over. Giving it a quick sand, guys, just to take off any little nibs or anything. I'm thinking I might spray the top coat in here. But I've opened the window and doors there, so I'm going to contaminate the house, which won't go down very well. But hey, if I go through though, I shall be putting another coat of black on, so very careful. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Right, let's give it a couple of gentle coats and keep it warm. I'll have to turn it over. In fact, let's turn it over first and do the underside. Here we go. I'm going to overdo it. I'm going to get a run. Oops. What I'm going to do is put the warm air on it now. Keep warm air going over it. Looks okay. I'll give it another coat when it's gone off a little bit. And looks like it needs a little bit heavier there as well. But we'll let that go off. And I'll give it a wet and dry and give it another coat. I'm now going to remove, this is the fun part, but you've got to be careful. Just get that off for a minute. It's been about an hour drying. I might have had a little bit of bleed through, we'll find out, won't we? First of all, this just removes the paper. Right, this is the fun part. Basically, it has to come off in the order it went on, otherwise I shall be trying to pull things off which are going under the next piece. And that is the secondary piece I put on. That's not actually the bit against the paint. Okay, here we go. So with all masking tape, pull it back on itself. Join there. Pull it back on itself to avoid lifting the paint. A nice steady pull. And with a bit of luck, you haven't got any bleed through. Because I didn't have any red paint to paint along the edge, so there we go. How does that look? I think that looks okay. Looks suitably hunterish, don't you think? There we go. That can harden up now on the film. So I'm well pleased with that, guys. Fairly easy repair. It looked pretty bad, didn't it? What I'm going to do, I'm just going to run my back of my thumbnail over that edge because it's very slightly raised. While it's still soft, I'll just run my thumbnail over just to take that edge off. There we go. Beautiful. I'm happy with that. Yeah. I think that works. Kind of like picks up the black of the intake sign. Good. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Next time I'll line it up a little bit better because, as you know, a good landing starts with a good approach, and it wasn't a very good approach. Coming in round, I was a bit high, I think the first approach, went round again and just went too far out. And it dipped around a little bit. It's much further out than I thought it was actually. And then I opened the throttle to pick it up again. And of course, being a ducted fan, they don't react that quick.
Had it been a prop aeroplane, I could have picked it up straight away, but it just went below the hedge. Maybe on full throttle and sort of guessing the attitude, it might have come out, but I'm not into flying behind hedges. So anyway, she lives to fly again. Thanks very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked, and I'll see you in the next vid. Cheers, guys.